Dads, how did you realize your son was a better liar than you? I was play fighting with my son in the living room. Everything was normal. We were laughing, throwing pillows, pretending to be ninjas, living our best life. And then, mid-battle, he shoved me a little harder than usual. I stumbled backward, spun around, and my elbow went flying into the corner of the counter, right into my wife's favorite vase. Her expensive, hand-painted, emotionally attached vase shattered into dust. We both froze. I looked at the floor. I whispered, "So we're dead." We cleaned it up in silence like two burglars wiping down a crime scene. And then we sat on the couch like nothing happened. But we both knew. We were seconds away from a trial. The front door opened. She walked in, took one look at the empty counter. Her eyes narrowed. "Where's my vase?" We said nothing. She slowly sat down across from us like she was conducting a federal investigation. What happened? We had a plan. Blame the dog. Totally innocent. Easy to believe. I let my son go first, and he delivered it like he practiced in front of a mirror. Voice calm. Even added a dramatic pause. Well, the dog was running, and it just happened so fast. We tried to stop him, but the table flipped in the vase. Perfect performance. She believed him. Then she looked at me. "Is that true?" I nodded way too fast. "Yeah, the dog. He, ran real fast, and then the table did a flip. And she raised an eyebrow. I was sweating. "Why are you blinking so much?" That was the moment I knew I was done. She stood up, pointed at me and said, "You broke it. Don't lie." Then turned to my son. "And you. Thanks for telling the truth." "What?" My son looked at me, shrugged, and said, "Sorry, Dad. I had to save myself. I was grounded by my wife." And then she gave my son ice cream. I hate